Morning guys, it's the start of a new week. We are at this house. We are doing artificial turf. It's actually for a dog run. This is something that came in over the winter that we've finally been able to get to. Had a lot of delay with materials. So crew's here, loaded with RCA and material, sands. Turf is in the truck behind me. We're gonna get this unloaded, but in the back we're gonna get that area cleaned out and we're gonna get turf down for the dogs. So turf is in the truck. We're gonna get it rolled out, put on our turf cart, and then start bringing all the material into the backyard. So we got all the gravel out. We've got our base roughly set. They actually had stuff we could have used as base material, but we got it out. And we're gonna start laying and compacting RCA, and then put in our finishing sand layer, and then lay the turf in this small space so their pups have a place to go and do their business. Roll out the turf, and then start putting it down. And just like that, it's magic, and we went from having just the undisturbed grade that was leveled to turf is down. We're working on kicking out the wrinkles and getting our edges all stapled and staked down. Green sand will go in and we'll be done. All right, end of the day, and it's a wrap. We've got the turf down. He's gonna build a little enclosure around his pool equipment. But now, dog can go out, do its business. Kids can come out and play. You don't have to worry about doing any maintenance.